Alright folks, this problem here is going to involve dilutions. So we've got 300 milliliters, 340 milliliters of a half molar sodium bromide solution. I want to know what the concentration will be if I add 560 more milliliters of water to it. So what we have is an initial volume, so we'll call it VI, or V1 if you'd like, to be 340 milliliters. And when our volume is that, our molarity is 0.5 molar. And we want to know what the concentration will be if I add 560 more milliliters to this. So our V2 is going to be 560 milliliters plus our original 340 milliliters. Not every problem is set up like this. I might just give you a V2 right off the bat, nothing that you'd have to calculate. So this looks like this is going to give us 900 milliliters. Just double check. That'll be 104. Yep, 900 milliliters. We want to know what the new concentration, in this case, molarity, will be. So there's a real simple formula for that. M1 V1, or MI VI for this case, is equal to M2 V2. And we're looking for M2, so let's get M2 all by itself. So we're going to divide each side by V2. And they're going to cancel out over there. So our M1 is equal to, our M2 is equal to M1 V1, or I, V2. Now we can plug our numbers in. So we're going to have 0.5, and that should be big M for molarity, times 340 milliliters, all over 900 milliliters. Now if you notice here, the units milliliters are going to cancel out, and that's just going to leave us with molarity, and that's a perfectly fine unit for molarity, obviously. So let's see, let's plug this into the old calculator. We're going to do 0.5 times 340, and then we're going to divide that answer by 900, and we should get about 0.19, 0.19 moles per liter. Let's see if this answer makes sense. Right, so we've got a half molar, and we're going to dilute it. We're going to make it much less concentrated. We're bringing our volume up almost a little bit more than double. So that should mean that our volume, or our molarity, should decrease. So this is an answer that makes sense. If you switched our volumes up, you would end up with a number higher than this. And if you're adding more water to something, you would imagine that it would not get more concentrated, it would just get less concentrated. So this is how you do a dilutions problem. We only did 1 or 2 in class. And it's a good place to stop.